Let's break this down logically. A product goes viral for one of two reasons. Either it's overhyped or it's genuinely good. In this case, it's the second one, because the performance is consistently smooth, the build quality is solid, and the usability is so refined that it outperforms many competing products in its category. Thousands of users reporting the same positive experience is not a coincidence. That's what happens when something is built right. So if you value reliability, functionality, and simplicity, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Click the link in the description and verify it for yourself. If results matter to you, you won't be disappointed.